Hi, the three digital online tools I would like to mention are from the activity type collaborative mind mappings from Bang and Ku's article. I used to ask my students to draw the mind mapping on paper, but maybe online mind mapping tools are more appropriate for current students because they are exposed to all kinds of multimedia every day. So why not integrate this rich media all into the mind map? Padlet is an online mind map tool that I think is quite suitable for elementary school students. The interface is cute and the operation can be easy to use and understand. Students can embed articles, videos, YouTube links, and other multimedia in a Padlet. Other tools mentioned in this mind mapping activity are the brain and co-mapping. They also can be embedded in different kind of documents and links and can be shared with peers or colleagues to further expand them. In the case of co-mapping, learners can collaborate in a virtual launch where notes, links, and files can be shared in real time.